guys, I haven't been buying a lot of high-end designer items lately because of the, crazy prices that I cannot justify to myself anymore. But when I saw this bag coming out a few months ago with new Versace collection, I just knew I have to have it. It caught my eye immediately, and to make sure that I will be using it for years to come, I actually waited for like 3 months before I bought it because I wanted to make sure that it's not an impulse buy, that it's something that I will definitely use a lot. And I was a bit anxious because a lot of these classic looking styles of course get sold out pretty quickly, but luckily this one knew that it was meant for me, so it waited. I already did a short video of my unboxing. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna play it here next to me. But it's a separate short video, so if you wanna make full attention to that video and not listening to me talking next to it, go see it there. So this is the unboxing, and I was just so excited because I was at work and I got a notification that, the delivery is on its way. And I usually have my packages delivered to my work address because it's just easier and, it's no hassle because I'm always there. And I couldn't wait. I was so excited, like a little kid on Christmas morning, because firstly, it has been a long time since I bought a designer bag, and secondly, I was really excited about this specific bag. So as I said, the whole unboxing you can see in the short form, but I will show you the bag in more detail in this video. I will of course show you how I'm gonna style it, but it's an easy bag to style, so it shouldn't be a problem to find any kind of outfit that this bag will actually go with. If this is your first time visiting my channel, of course, welcome. My name is Veronica. I am a TV presenter and I love fashion, so there will be a lot of fashion videos and fashion related videos on my channel. I also create playlists, so if you're interested in specific area of fashion topics, of course, check them out, and I hope you will stick around. Everything you see in my videos I bought and paid for myself. None of it is sponsored. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to style this bag and show you different outfits, so make sure to watch until the end. This is the dust bag, how it arrives, and it's definitely very thick dust bag. I have a couple of Versace items, mostly like belts and little clutches, and even the metallic clutch that I ordered last year didn't arrive with this very thick dust bag, so I am definitely impressed with this. So this is the bag that I fell in love the second I saw it. The main reason for this was the handle. I really like top handle bags, and most of my bags are, even the crossbody ones, they have a handle as well, because I do like to carry my handbags in my arm like this, in my hand. And this was just a cute little bag, but very spacious. So I was pretty sure it's going to fill my needs during the daily wear, that it's not going to be just for like special occasions or evening wear. And I'm actually taking this bag to work as well, and I'm going to show you how. But this bag actually comes with a strap as well, and it's very easy to attach. So you see these two loops here. So you slide the strap through here, pull, attached to your length. It can be adjustable, of course. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, so it's definitely a nice like 10 to 12 centimeters difference how long you want the strap to be. And then you can wear it crossbody as well. I will use the strap as well, but I think mostly I will definitely be using it like this, just handheld. I'm gonna remove this because I'm gonna actually go to work after filming this, and I'm gonna take the bag with me, but without the strap. These sounds are music to any bag lover ears, right? So this is patent leather, as you can see, and it's nude version. You also have it in black and I think in other colors as well, but I've mostly seen it in nude or in black. I got it at My Teresa, but they have it on Farfetch as well. So this is the Medusa head. So this bag is called the patent leather tote Medusa head bag. It doesn't have like an official name. I'm gonna link, different sites where I can find it below this video if you want it for yourself as well. This actually works kind of like a wallet on a chain as well, because it actually has card slots in there, so you can put 3 credit cards or any kind of cards in there. And like I said, it's pretty spacious. This is Chanel hand cream, which is pretty bulky, and if I put it in there, you can see there's a lot more space still left. And let's try this. This is the sunscreen spray that I always use for my face, and this goes in no problem whatsoever. So you can definitely fit a lot of things, especially if you do not use like a bulky wallet, but use the card slots provided, or use a card holder, which is what I would usually do. The handle feels like a heavy handle, so it doesn't feel like plastic, because lately, with all the complaints about quality issues with different high brands, I was a bit worried that this will actually be like some sort of a plastic, not cheap plastic, but still plastic. But it does it does sound like it is some kind of metal. So at least that. I also checked because, you know, we know the issues. So I checked all the seams and stitches and stuff like that, and it definitely seems perfect. I didn't see any kind of like misshapen forms or any defects on it. It is a top handle bag, which means it's not going to sit totally on the edge because, you know, because of the handle, but that doesn't bother me. I mean, the opening is very tiny, so there's not a chance of something falling out. And this bag is just so classic that I think, even though it is a new season, that this can be something that can be worn for years. And I hope they're going to keep it, that it's not going to be just a seasonal item, that it's going to be like in Versace, kind of like ammunition for years to come. I love the bag as it is, but one of the reasons why I was so attracted to it was that I actually have Jean Vito Rossi pumps, which should be exactly the same color. So these are the shoes, and I think the camera shows them like they are, because, you know, with some colors they look different on camera. I think it's pretty accurate. So it's like dark nude. It's not a pink undertone, it's a brown undertone, and they're very specific. And even though I don't mind if my shoes and bag don't exactly match, but it's a nice thing when they can. I still like this visually, that bag and shoes go together, not with every outfit, but when possible and when kind of makes sense. So I really wanted to see if they will match. They are pretty much identical. I mean, and even, you know, they're close enough that they can actually be from the same designer. And this is Jean Vito Rossi pumps, which are also, of course, patent leather. I will usually pair this together, shoes and bag, when I will have like really colorful outfits, so they kind of blend it out. But I'm so happy that they go together. I thought they might, but, you know, you never know with internet photos and different colors. It might be completely different color. In case your nude shoes are more on the pink side, these ones are pink satin nude, also Jean Vito Rossi pumps. And you can see, compared to this, that the bag is much more brown and this is more pink. It still kind of goes together. You can still wear like pink undertones nudes with this bag, but I think the brown undertones just kind of fits better. I'm very happy to have it in my collection, especially because I really did not plan to buy anything high-end designer right now, but this was just too good an item to pass. So yes, I'm definitely happy. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think and which kind of outfits would you wear this bag with, and of course if you like the way I styled it. So have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video.